Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. Thank you so much to all my new subscribers, and thank you to my returning subscribers. I really appreciate you, I do. It's Tea Tuesday and it's quite early in the morning. I thought I would pop on and get this out of the way so that I could finish my chores today, because I may have to pop out a little later on. I am having black coffee, Nescafe decaf. Anyway, I wanted to continue to talk about my metal cutting die folder that I decided to do. It's getting really heavy, but it does beat this space, this box space, right? This takes up a bit more. So what I done, I dug out some more cutting dies, as you can see here. There's quite a few. Let me just put this over here. So at least now everything could be just in one folder, in one place. These are little knickknacks, the doll ones. Oh, this is the mermaid. These are all the little doll bodies, body parts. A ghost. I'm not quite sure what. Oh, this is a coffee cup, the latte, I think. And so I've got to get these. Oh, butterfly, lovely. Goodness me, great. And this I've had such a long time. Can you see these with the plastic? Yeah, I've got to just make sure that you can see. This is a notebook to make. I have made one before and it's really nice. Also, that's a gentleman with his bow tie. Ice skating boots. I've made most of these before. This is, I think this is another doll. What I'm going to do some samples so I know exactly. Yeah, it's a doll, got the big doll face. I think that's the hair there. And this is a little journal. Isn't that super cute? Look at that. I've made these before as well. Little gifts to give away. Another doll clothes. And there's my girl. She's traveling out with her suitcase. Another baby with the body parts. This is tags that I must do. And also this is the coffee cup with the froth and everything. This is my baubles sweater, and that's Gingerbread Boy, and he is the chef, or she. It could be a he or she. There's an apron and a chef hat. My Christmas tree. Really like this. I've had this for years. And my memory decks bits and pieces that I need to get sorted out. This is a lovely memory decks. Right. And then I've got some bows here. And these. Also got some circles. And these are words. We've got memories, hope, dream, happy, blessed, joy, believe, heart, thankful, and family. And this is the boy and girl. That's really cute. Got some doilies here and the hat. And some flowers. the glasses, frames, buttons, borders, tag, that's a small tag, and I have, you can use this for rosettes. I've got some borders here, and these are clouds and rainbows. So those have got to be put into the folder. Because I thought, when I showed you last week the folder, I thought, no, I've got some dies missing. I knew I had some more. And also I would like to share a flip through of my personal creative journal for June, the month of June. Right, now in all fairness, I haven't been doing it daily. Life got in the way, or gets in the way, and sometimes I just don't have the time to do it. I have got other priorities like my devotional journal or my prayer journal. That comes first. So this is from Sunday the 2nd of June, and I talked about how nice church was. This is Monday the 3rd. This just says, today I will focus on what I can control, and it says coffee, hello Monday, let's do this. And this is live with promise, love with passion, and laugh with pleasure. And this is life is a beautiful ride, and they're all from Pinterest. This sticker flower is not from Pinterest. It was a nice day. I had a nap and had Bible study, and I love my journal. And then I've got some alpha stickers that there's not much letters left, so I've been trying to use up what I have, trying to make up some words as to what I have left instead of chucking them away. Anyway, today, this date is the 4th of June, so it was consistent, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, not bad. It was a chill day, and just telling myself that I have to be a bit more kinder to myself, and self-care comes first. Wednesday, I went to Richmond and had a boat ride. Okay. So boat ride to Hampton Court. It was really nice, and I was grateful it didn't rain. Yep, lovely. And then Thursday, a very chilled day. My friend Sandy came to see me and bought me some fried fish. We had a good chat and laugh. She left for work and I ate food. I love eating food. So that was Thursday the 6th of June. Friday the 7th, I basically said that I was looking forward to witnessing a baptism that evening. I'm really glad I did. And this is a printout from Pinterest. Just be your own unique, beautiful self. And then we have Saturday. Oh, I was on a roll. Saturday the 8th. It was a lovely day. Very grateful to have all that I do have. I drove out to Tesco's. I went to Tesco's, and then one of my neighbours who lives a few roads away, she popped in. And then Sunday I went to church. This doll sticker is from box of stickers that I got from Amazon, and this says life is better with friends. Sunday the 9th, I'm glad to be alive. Church today. I wanted to go to Ikea, but I was thinking about how crowded it would be, because weekends it's like a family day out, the parents, the kids, the prams, and you know, so I just thought I would leave it for in the week. This sticker doll is she's from Fabulously Creative, that I've had for quite a while now, and I've been trying to use them up. That was Sunday the 9th, and then we've got Monday the 10th. Oh, Archie got his flea treatment yesterday, which was Sunday. but he was a bit sick today. He did vomit. And I was hoping that the medication is working still. I did speak to his groomers, and she did say that, yep, once it's the day after, if it was an hour or two after he had it, then perhaps it wouldn't work. But it was overnight, so I was happy about that. Looking forward to my tumble dryer delivering tomorrow, which was going to be Tuesday the 11th. And if you notice here, I have used one page for some of the week. It's when I haven't got a lot to talk about, then I will use the space wisely. So I've got the Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday on one page, which, in, you know, it's better than using up a whole page with just stickers and stuff, because this is not going to see me through the whole year. But I have another one that I wanted to use. But anyway, so my tumble dryer arrived on Tuesday. I had to move the bookshelf for the tumble dryer to get passed into the kitchen. Yeah, and I've got a tall Billy bookcase that I had to move out of the way, which wasn't bad. Wednesday, Archie went to the groomers, yeah, and that's when I asked her about the flea treatment, and he threw up, and she told me that it was fine because it was overnight. So I went to, so that was Monday the 10th, Tuesday 11th, Wednesday the 12th. Yep. Archie went to the groomers and I went and had a pedicure. Kill two birds with one stone, I say. I usually do it that way anyway. Archie wasn't talking to me after I collected him from the groomers, and sometimes he does that, most of the time, because it's like I've taken him away from his friends. And he does do it most times. Thursday the 13th, I was definitely on a roll. Yeah. I just basically said it was a nice day. I did go to Ikea. I went and had some Thai food after. That was really, really nice. I should have taken a picture. Next time I will. Oh yeah, and I had a slow puncher. I've had a slow puncher for quite a few months now, but because I don't drive a lot, I don't drive the car a lot, I didn't bother with it. But before I went to Ikea, I had to go to a tyre shop and got my tyre dealt with, so that was done, and went off to Ikea. Friday, let's see now. I'm talking about how happy I am to have my tumble dryer. I didn't do much on that day. And I've been just pottering around looking for more clothes to donate to my daughter's friend's mum that is running a charity in the Caribbean. So I've been collecting clothes for her to give, to donate. Saturday, what did I do? Another quiet day. I did cook some fish, and I did upload a budget video, took Archie for his walk, watched videos, and spent time in my craft room. And so I've jumped from Saturday the 15th to Tuesday the 25th. So basically 10 days. 10 days, yeah. Tuesday 25th. As I said, if you are doing a personal creative journal and you just want to get your thoughts and, you know, get creative with it, don't worry about it have to be every day. It doesn't have to be every day. I thought at the beginning I had to do it every day, but everyone is different, and you got to do what makes you comfortable, and this is what makes me comfortable. Before, I would sulk and have a go at myself for not doing it on a daily basis, but sometimes I didn't have anything to talk about. I didn't want to talk about anything, and I didn't fancy just decorating with stickers because it's just waste of paper. My neighbour popped in on that Tuesday. Let's see. Oh, I went to collect my new glasses as well, and I was so excited. I'm getting used to wearing them. My neighbour popped in Wednesday. Oh my god, my brother James dropped in to see me. It was so nice to see him, and my bestie as well. Earlier on that day I met my friend Patricia at for lunch, and that was really nice. Had fish and chips. I will put a picture of the lovely fish and chips, but by the time I remembered to take a photograph, I had sliced the fish to squeeze the lemon, so you'll see the slices in the fish. That was a lovely afternoon. Grateful to see another day. Lots of washing and drying in the garden. I cleaned up the garden, which was yesterday. I did some, and I did put up my gazebo. And I'm just telling myself that it's nice and clean out there now, and I'm going to finish up today, which I did. I've just been doing it in little chunks. Saturday, so I didn't do a log on Friday the 28th. It was Saturday the 29th. It was a lovely day. Done some more tidying in the garden, and I still want to do some more. I also was getting a little bit annoyed with the Clipchamp software that I use to edit my videos. It's acting up. I don't know why. And it's taken me so long to edit because every time I try to edit, I've got to fix what it's doing that it's not supposed to be doing, if that makes sense. So that's it. Anyway, Sunday. Beautiful day at church. It was nice to see the brothers and sisters. This is the alpha stickers again that I tried to make some words with. These are fabulously creative. I've had these for a long time now, at least 2.5 years, 2 years, something like that. So I decided to put that there and the bow. It's so pretty, isn't it? Anyway, so that was Sunday the 30th, and then that's it. I've clipped here because I started on the brand new month, and I hope you did like it. It is therapeutic to get your thoughts out. I hope you did like this video, and I'm enjoying my coffee. I've got so much chores to do today, but as you know, I have everything here that I will be going to next to see what's on the agenda for the day. If you did like this video, I really would appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.